the shimmer and glow. Came Aphrodite, the star of the show, on a seashell ride with the ocean's cheer. The goddess of love and beauty is here, with flowers blooming wherever she'd go. Her charm and grace would steal the show. From Mount Olympus to the lands below, Aphrodite's magic makes the love grow. Aphrodite, shining so bright, bringing love and joy day and night. With her golden smile and beauty divine, Aphrodite, the goddess of sunshine. She had her dove, so gentle and sweet, spreading her magic to everyone she'd meet, helping the gods and the heroes too. With a little love, there's nothing they can't do. Her mirror sparkled, her laughter rang. The world was brighter wherever she sang. With the ocean breeze and the stars above, Aphrodite spread her message of love.
Yo, Aphrodite, queen of the sea, making hearts flutter, just wait and see. With a smile so bright and a style so neat, bringing love and peace to everyone I meet. From the waves to the clouds, spreading delight, painting the skies with colors so bright. Clap your hands, let the rhythm flow. Aphrodite's love, let's all look through.
Aphrodite, shining so bright, bringing love and joy day and night. With her golden smile and beauty divine, Aphrodite, the goddess of sunshine. So remember her name and her story too. Aphrodite, the goddess who brings love to you. With the ocean song and the stars above, Aphrodite's here to teach us all love. So remember her name and her story too. Aphrodite, the goddess who brings love to you. With the ocean song and the stars above, Aphrodite's here to teach us all love. With the ocean song and the stars above, Aphrodite's here to teach us